Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have H3BO3, which is boric acid. We should find hybridization and shape of it. H3BO3 actually the problem in the plain set. The real structure will be BOH thrice. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V represents valency, the boron valency is 3 and OH groups are 3. So 3 plus 3 minus 0 whole divided by 2, which gives 3. And to find the lone pair, you have to find H minus B. So H is 3, lone pair is 0. H3 means sp2 hybridization, which is trigonal planar. So the OH groups occupy corner. You have trigonal planar structure. You can understand this structure by 3D animation. So the final structure of H3BO3 is trigonal planar. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.